God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, lele oh.
Getting my massage done. I'm so excited. I'm tired. I need this.
Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as that
I had
I feel like it.
I had the best massage ever. Hot stone. You should come. Got a hot stone. It's really
Too
nice.
sensitive.
Too sensitive to what?
I don't think I can do the hot stones ones. I thought of the to touch and to pain. I don't think I can afford that.
You wouldn't like it.
Nope.
Gatlo did my massage, by the way. So if you do come to Beauty by Rosa, ask for Gatlo. She's good. She's really, really good. And thanks to my friend for paying for this massage. She long got me a voucher, I think back in July for my birthday. And I always thought I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna redeem it, I'm gonna come for a massage. But today was the day. So basically my spirit is renewed, my body, hey, my whole life. I was about to give up on the last 3 months of the year thinking, no, let's do this. Let's get this 2023. Let's finish it on a high note. My husband and I decided to come to Mokolodi for lunch before we head back to Mahalapi, to our home. So yeah, I thought let me continue vlogging. Today's a good day, Laban. It's not that bad, really. Can't take it over. Anyway, so today is a good day. I wonder what I'm gonna have. Yeah, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be.
No.
Yeah, it's about game driving.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him.
Hey guys. Welcome to another day in this vlog. So it has been a couple of days, to be honest. I am in Gibbs. So if I already didn't mention, we live in Mahalapi now, my husband and I. But I alone, yes, my husband is at work. I'm in Gibbs. Today is a Monday. Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. So I just came to, I don't know, spend the day with her basically. Take some cupcakes and party boxes to her school for her birthday, probably take her out for lunch, have a cake, and then the next morning I'll be heading back home. So I just thought let me include you guys in this vlog as we go by. So I bought some party boxes when we were in Pretoria. Was it last week or the week before? Yeah, whatever. So I got that and some, let me show you guys. I put these under the bed so that she does not eat them. So I got these. My nails are not the same, please excuse me on that. I'm trying to change them from this to this. So yeah, I got the unicorn marshmallows and then party boxes. I thought there were 25 in the class, so I got only 25 boxes, but I confirmed with the teacher and they're actually 28, not 25. So also got her a cute little candle. She's gonna be turning 8. So yeah, I'm just gonna get 3 more boxes from Bisco Hyper, and then we're gonna get more stuff to put in the box. Thankfully these are not big at all, so we won't need much things to put inside. And then I also need to get her a gift. I was thinking of getting her like a luggage bag, a cute luggage bag, because the girl has been using her caddy bag to travel. I don't like it. She likes it, but I don't. So yeah, I'm running out of breath. Let's go. Let's prepare for my daughter's birthday.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go.
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
This is everything we have for the party boxes. Got some grape flavored sherbet, some Smarties, the unicorn marshmallows I showed you guys, the what do you call this, blowouts, and then these, what do you call this, I don't know, but a face mask I think is what they called it. But the glasses, honestly, they're party time glasses. So we got that. For the most part, okay, these are from Bisco Hyper. These are from Bisco Hyper. These we want to trade well. Got these at Checkers. Is it Checkers? I think Checkers in SA though. So yeah, we're gonna pick them. Wrapped her gifts already. I'm wearing a duke because my hair is, I wouldn't say fra. Honestly, I'm not having like the worst hair day, but I don't think my hair is cute, you know, the way that I would prefer it to be cute. But I'm meeting Melinda out for dinner. We are going to the Italian Monday at Cappuccino's. I am actually running late. She knocked off at 5:30. I was supposed to be at her office by 5:30 latest. I know, I honestly, I apologize, seriously. So yeah, I am heading to Melinda now. I haven't seen her, I actually haven't seen Melinda proper since my wedding, because her friend was also getting married, so she was busy with that. So literally, I think it's safe to say I haven't seen her since my wedding. So yeah, it's gonna be cute to just see her, catch up, have a chit chat or whatever, and then eat, and then I'm gonna go back home. So I sprayed, not even sprayed, I put mousse on my hair, wrapped it so that at least it could look flat for the most part. So I'm gonna take it off when I get to her office. I think it'll be fine by then. If it's not, I'm just gonna give up. The reason why I haven't undone my hair yet is because I have a cute little event next week. I'm so excited. I have an event that I'm attending next week, so I don't wanna undo my hair right now, because then I'm gonna stay like this. Today is actually a Monday, still a Monday, so it means I'm gonna stay the whole of this week and like half of next week, and I don't like that for myself, to be honest. I would rather stay with this hair like this. I can wear a bonnet in the house or just something. When I go out, I can wear a hat, a cute little scarf, or the thing I was wearing in the morning, I don't know what you call it. So yeah, let's go to Cappuccino's. I think I'm gonna order a pizza. Already, so let's go.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did low key, but I'm never lonely.
Hi, Shelly.
Hi, Salah.
Hi.
You smell good.
Thank you, baby.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly.
Hey guys. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is a Tuesday. It's my daughter's birthday. Oh, she's turning 8. She is turning 8 years old. And I don't know, I'm happy. I'm so excited. So I am going out for breakfast to celebrate 8 years of motherhood. I'm kidding, I'm joking, guys. Bagang and I have a breakfast date. It is currently 9 o'clock, and I told her I was gonna leave the house at past 8. Oh, she told me that her wig was basically falling off. I was like, there's no way I'm going to bath and then wait for the scrub. But she called saying that she's ready when I was getting dressed. So not too bad. So we are going out for breakfast. We're going to the Daily Grind. She wanted us to try out Doppio Zero, and me having been there twice before, I was like, I don't know. So we are going to the Daily Grind. I think I'm gonna have that waffle something chicken what. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have. Whew, I'm not feeling quite well though. I'm not feeling the best physically, that is, but I'm so excited to see my friend. I was used to seeing Bagang like I don't know how many times in a week, and now I can go like 2 weeks without seeing her, I think, because I live elsewhere now. So yeah, let's go catch up with my girl, and then I will talk to you guys. 5 marks.
I'm here.
Would you like a series?
Oh, sorry. Manifesto.
Manifesto,
yeah.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Sorry, it's not my fault. I did 8.
Oh no. Cute. Aww. She's going to love.
I know.
Love.
And it's tall. It's.
Yeah. Where's your other teacher? Open it.
That's for you.
This.
I know you like things. Do you like it?
Immediately. I'm gonna change it.
Okay.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you before him.
We're gonna go to Doppio Zero. Tata are taking the birthday girl out for lunch. Some of us have eaten. I don't know about the rest of us.
Yeah, well, I didn't eat.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have a drink. Yeah, just. What am I supposed to have? No, I put the cheese by the time.
We had an amazing waffle, hey?
We did. The waffle at Daily Grind, scrumptious. I think it's feeling, ne?
It is.
Mommy? Ma?
What if one of these balloons pop in the car?
You can take them with, baby. Let's go.
Heidi, let's do a catwalk.
Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take away. Keep going back to what I used to know.
Like it?
Don't use it in one word, just capital G.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Mwah. I love you.
Glad you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Did you say thank you?
Close to your love again, I give my heart again, Jesus.
Look like a princess. You look like a princess. You look like a princess. Happy birthday to you. You look like a princess. You look like a princess. Happy birthday to you.
I wanna go to Golly Way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not
Like a princess. You look like a.
tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone.
Cut the cake. Cut the cake.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Go girl. Go girl. Yes, let us.
Thank you.
God, you call me by my name.
Hey, Jack.
Sing!
I don't know this part. Why are we recording this? 1 second for the children.
5, 6, 7, 8. Mommy, I need to hit 3 so badly.
Way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my